We have to be dedicated, we have to be committed, we have to be consistent.
Thumbay Moideen is a third generation businessman from Mangaluru who has been making waves in the UAE for decades. Based in Dubai, Dr. Thumbay Moideen is the founder and president of Thumbay Group, an international business conglomerate headquartered in Dubai. Dr. Moideen was 21 when he took over the reins of the business from his father. In 1998, he established the Thumbay Group in UAE. He was the first expatriate to be invited by the rulers of Ajman to start a medical institution in the UAE. Under his dynamic leadership, the group now operates across 20 sectors including education, healthcare, medical research, and even artificial intelligence. In 2016, Forbes Middle East ranked him 16th among top Indian business leaders in the Arab world.
My name is Dr. Thumbay Moideen. I am the founder and president of a group called Thumbay Group in UAE. Assalamu alaikum, everyone.
Can you please tell us the inception journey of Thumbay Group?
I'm basically from Mangalore, so I happened to go to the UAE on a transit on my way to Africa. I met a few sheikhs over a cup of tea, and they started discussing what is good for their country, which will have multiple effects on their economy. So I suggested, why don't you build a medical school and a hospital? It will have multiple effects on the economy. So this is how it started. So once they heard me, it was like just a comment. The ruler, the king of Ajman, invited me. He asked me about my background, about what I do. I was young then, I was 39 years old. And he asked me, what about this medical school and hospital? I said, I just mentioned it, Sheikh. I have no knowledge about it. I am a builder and a timber merchant by nature. But he encouraged me. He said, I am the ruler, we are the government, we can support you. So I thought it was a God sent opportunity. I jumped into it. I bought consultants, I did a research, and that's how I got into this business.
Can you please share your key milestone achievements with us?
In UAE, getting into a brand new business, which is unique, which is trend setting, which is also innovative, is not easy. But I had good support from the government. No, first of all, I think I had Almighty's grace in what I was doing. The government supported me, and I had a very dedicated and very like-minded team who supported me throughout my journey. I can remember two incidents which made me also very encouraged and morally felt good. One, in 2002, I was forced to build a big hospital. Ajman has got just 300,000 population, but the Ministry of Higher Education wanted me to build a hospital for training of medical, dental, pharmacy students. So, being a serious man, being a committed man, I didn't want to let down my students and parents. I jumped into it. Imagine a 150 bedded hospital in a 300,000 population area. Maybe because of a good intention, the hospital clicked. We became the busiest hospital in the country with almost 2,000 plus outpatients a day. And in terms of delivery of babies, 600 babies a month. So it's Allah's ways. Along with that, we started growing. We built 8 hospitals, 10 medical centers, 60 pharmacies, 5 laboratories. We had a health club chain called Body and Soul. We have hospitality, coffee shops, restaurants. We were trading. We were in media. We print our own magazine. We conduct our own events. But the second incident was just before COVID. I was invited by the Ministry of Health. His name is His Excellency Abdurrahman OS. All the healthcare leaders were invited for a meeting. After the meeting we were asked to stand for a group picture. I was in a corner because I was young also compared to the seniors, and I was not as big as the big people. So I told the minister invited, come closer to me. He said, Sheikh, there are a lot of big people with you. So he said something which was very touching. He said, for me, they are not big people. For me, you're a big person. Because you contribute to the country. You're in education, healthcare, and research. They're just making money out of healthcare. So, alhamdulillah. That's the kind of appreciation we get for a contribution to the community.
Formula or agenda and a motive that you held on to made it successfully?
Frankly, there was no plan at all. It just happened. But I come from a good family from Mangalore. I was the third generation. Now my son has joined, so it's the fourth generation. We are God-fearing religious people. We believe and trust Allah will guide us always. Two, we have been consistent. We have been around doing a job day in and day out. So whether it's India or any other country, as long as you work hard and you're dedicated and you're focused, inshallah things will happen.
Please tell us more about landmark Thumbay City project and the expansive vision driving it.
Thumbay Medicity is in Ajman. We purchased 1 million square feet of land from the government of Ajman. So we have a medical school with 7 colleges. With students from 95 countries and faculty from 55 countries. We have 3 hospitals, Thumbay University Hospital, Thumbay Dental Hospital, and Thumbay Rehabilitation Hospital. All are meant to help the various colleges, medical college, dental college, physiotherapy college. We have a Thumbay laboratory, one of the biggest in the country within the campus. We have Body and Soul Health Club, very huge, with the swimming pools and tennis courts and basketball court and football court within the campus. We also have a food court with 5 restaurants meant for students, patients. Our expectation is about 15,000 people to walk into the campus. But because of COVID, it slowed down. Even today, with all this COVID issues, we still have 6 to 7,000 people walking into the campus every day. It's a beautiful campus, one of its kind in the country. And we are the only medical university having research also. We started research long time ago before even the government thought of it. So I always repeat, we have been trendsetters, we have been very unique and very innovative.
What is the one thing an entrepreneur should do to achieve their goals?
Like I said earlier, there's no formula for success. It's all from the Almighty and in which field you are. Every season there is a new business which flourishes. Like when I came, I was lucky. I got into medical education, healthcare. Right now it is technology. Right now it's different. The modern online education, different businesses. As long as you're dedicated, as long as you're focused, as long as you're consistent, you'll do well.
Well, this was Dr. Thumbay Moideen, the man with the vision. This is Amina from Daily Salar. For more news and updates, please keep watching Daily Salar.